Let's discuss the question answers. What is dispersal of seed? Dispersal of seed is the movement of seed away from the mother plant. Okay, children. Second one, what are the different methods of dispersal of seeds? Seeds dispersed by wind, water, animals, birds, human beings, and by explosion. These are the different methods by which the seeds disperse. Then what are the other methods by which plants grow? What are the other methods other than using seeds? We use stem cutting, saplings, bulbs and tumors, spores. Name two plants which grow by stem cutting, rose and money plant. And name two plants which grow by spores, mushroom and fern. This when you spores and when you go to higher classes you will learn in detail. Okay. Now let's revise for your test. Friday you are having test. These question answers you should write in your notebook. These already you are done in your notebook. No need to write again. You just read it. Okay, be ready for the test. After reading this full lesson, you read once so that in between if I ask any question, you should be able to answer. Now, name some seeds that are used as spices. Cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds and fennel seeds. Fennel means sombu, that is only fennel. Name the seeds used to extract oil. Answer: sesame seeds, mustard seeds, sunflower seeds, groundnut and almond seeds. Okay. Name some seeds that are light. Coriander seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds and sesame seeds are light. Name some seeds that are flat. Butter beans, pumpkin, flax seeds, sesame seeds. You can write on your own also, children. If you know the answers correctly, which are the flat seeds and light seeds, you can write other answers also. And along with that, you should learn the vegetables which have seeds, like pumpkin, then lady's finger, bitter gourd, they have seeds. And fruits which have seeds, watermelon, apple, then jackfruit, all these have the seeds. And then you should learn which are the fruits they don't have seeds and which vegetables they don't have seeds. That also you should learn. And filling the blanks, answers are given. The embryo is inside the seed. What is inside the seed? The embryo. The baby plant is embryo. Dash soil is needed for the seed to grow well. Fertile soil. The plant of the part of the plant. Sorry children, the part of the plant which grows downwards is called root. The part of the plant which grows upward is called shoot. The seed absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. Then what is germination? Growing of a plant from a seed is called germination. Then what are the conditions necessary for germination? For the conditions necessary for germination are fertile soil, fresh air, sunlight, water and good quality seeds. And what are the different steps of germination? You should learn that drawing. Along with that, you just go through the book and learn what are the seeds we soak before cooking and how do the seeds sprouts. All these things already I taught you. You just read the book once and read all the question answers given and be ready for the test. Friday I'll give you test in this lesson. Thank you, children.